everybody. Good morning and happy Monday. Did you all have a good weekend? You guys had fun, you got to sleep, hang out with your family, do your homework. All right, let's get started. First, is Ray in class yet? Yes, he is. Ray, I got your video. Let's take a look at the video of Ray's terrarium. All right, here we are.
Hello everyone, I am Ray. Today I will present about the fish tank. The living things are the plants, the tiny plants, the fish. The non-living things are the logs, the rocks, and the tank, and the light up here. The trees, light, nutrients, food, and water, and oxygen to breathe. The fish need food, water to swim, gills to breathe, food. The trees, the fish for oxygen. The fish grow. The fish eat and poo under the ground, and the trees makes it grow up. Goodbye.
All right, very nice work, Ray. He said all the living and non-living things. He said how the animals use the plants, how the plants use the animals. Very, very good. Does anyone have any questions for Ray or anything that they want to say about it? Let's see. Pasta?
The plants he put in the tank is fake or real?
What do you mean fake or real? Like the fish or the...
Plants is it's real plants or fake plants?
There we go, Ray. Are the plants fake or real?
Real.
Real, wow. Very cool. Great question, Pasta. Any other questions for Ray? All right, Ray, anything else you wanted to say?
There are more than 10 fish in the tank.
There are more than 10? Wow. Yeah, it looks like a lot. Do you have any other animals other than fish in your tank?
No.
No, just fish. Very cool. All right, thank you, Ray. All right, let's go on to our second part of homework, which was the quiz you guys did over the weekend. So you guys did a very good job. I was very happy with it. Here are our top scorers. Funny, Sino, funny again. John, Riku, Sam, Pony, Zook, Susu. All right, very nice. Excellent work, Moon. For anyone who has not taken it yet, make sure you do it tonight, okay? Go and take the quiz today after class. But for now, thank you everyone who did their homework, and let's do it together. Okay, everyone be ready to answer the question. I can call on any of you, okay? 3, 2, 1. Number 1, what is true about the ocean habitat? Dragon.
Yeah.
What is true about the ocean habitat?
It's water.
Is the ocean fresh water? Think about if you taste ocean water. Is it fresh or is it salty?
Number 3.
Can you read it out loud?
Number 3.
Can you read it?
Number 3.
Large. Say it's salty and large. All right. Good job. Nice work, Dragon. Okay, let's go through it right here. Here we are, number 1. This picture shows a Sino. Very good, food chain, nice work. What habitat is a place where there are many tall trees? George.
One habitat is a place where many tall trees are. Forest.
Very good, forest. Nice work, George. Number 3, water that has land all around it is a banana.
Lake.
Very good, excellent work, banana. What are the basic needs of animals? Sophia?
Air, shell, water, food.
Very good. Can you say shelter?
Shelter.
Very nice. Excellent work, Sophia. Air, shelter, water, and food. All right, look at this picture of a food chain. What does the frog eat? Sam.
The fly, because it has the fly under this question here. That has real the fly is good and nick the fly, so it is the fly.
Very good, excellent. It's the one before the frog. Very good job, Sam. All right, number 6. Look at this picture. How does the bee help the flower? Cherry.
Yes.
How does the bee help the flower, Cherry?
The bees take the flowers and the flowers will go everywhere and the flowers will bloom.
Good, so yes, exactly. It goes between the flowers from flower to flower, but does it spread pollen, collect nectar, spread seeds, or stay safe? How does it help the flower?
Spreads pollen.
Excellent job, it spreads pollen. Great work, Cherry. All right, number 7, how do plants help animals? Blue Moon?
Fall off the apple.
Good, all of the above. Can you read A, B, and C for me?
D.
Yes, the answer is D, very good. This is the answer. Can you read these 3 for me so we can read what the answers are?
To hide. Of to live.
Excellent job. So plants help animals shelter, hide, food. Great job, Blue Moon. What does adaptation mean? Nam, what does adaptation mean?
Located where animal live.
The place where an animal lives is adaptation. I think the place an animal lives might be habitat. Do you have another guess, Nam? Remember we talk about adaptation of fish or a giraffe or a camel.
Body part or
That word is behavior.
behavior that have an animal survive.
Very good. Excellent work. All right. Nice job, Nam. All right. What might happen to an animal if its habitat is changed? This was a hard one. What might happen if its habitat is changed? Milk. Let's see, just taking a moment. Maybe Milk can do the next one while it unmutes. Puppy, do you know this one?
It might die or extinct.
So that's a good guess. So that is something. It might die or go extinct is the one that we focus on. But remember when its habitat changes, if there's a forest fire, or if they lose some of their habitat, or maybe if their food disappears, they could also do these two things. So what is the answer, Puppy?
All of the above.
Very good. So the answer is all of the above, because it doesn't have to die or go extinct. Maybe its habitat gets a little colder than usual. It could just move to a warmer place, right? If it can't move, it might die or go extinct, but it could move, or maybe it adapts, and over a couple of generations with parents and kids, they have thicker fur to stay warm. All right, so the answer is all of the above. All right, number 10, Rosie, look at this picture. What has caused this habitat to change?
Weather.
Very good. Weather, excellent work. This is a drought. There hasn't been rain for a long time, and it's really hot. Okay. 11. Which is a thing that some animals can use for shelter? Tom?
A tree.
A tree. Very good. They can use a tree for shelter. You can't use sunlight for shelter, right?
Yeah.
You can't hide behind sunlight. Good job, Tom. 12. Where do all living things get energy from? Susu.
From the sun.
Very good, from the sun. Excellent. This kind of plant grows best in a wet environment. In which environment does this plant most likely live? Guys, make sure you keep your name normal. If you change your name, I don't know who you are and I can't call on you, okay? So keep your name what it usually is. Okay, Zook.
What?
This plant grows best in a wet environment.
Rainforest. Rainforest.
Very good, Zook. Rainforest. All right. Funny. Look at this picture. Why does a cactus live in a desert?
A cactus needs a dry environment.
Very good. It needs a dry environment. Great job, Funny. Manzuk, what is your name usually in class?
It's named Bantan.
Oh, okay. Well, go ahead and say your name again.
My name is named Ben 10.
Ben 10. All right, everyone say, nice to meet you, Ben 10.
Nice to meet you, Ben 10.
All right, nice to meet you. To Ben 10. There we are. Okay, so Ben 10, go ahead. All the living and non-living things around you make up your, do you know this one, Ben?
Yes,
Go ahead.
it's shelter.
So shelter can be living or non-living things. That's where you hide and stay safe. But what about all the living things and non-living things around you? Your shelter, your food, the air you breathe.
Environment is all of these things.
Very good. Excellent job, Ben. Environment. Great work and welcome to class. I look forward to teaching you. Environment. What does shelter mean? Milk, I'm still trying to unmute you, by the way. I keep pressing it, but it hasn't worked yet. Sorry, Milk, it's still not unmuting you. Go ahead, Moon. What does shelter mean?
A place where an animal can be safe.
Very good, Moon. A place where an animal can be safe. All right. What is true about the ocean habitat? Banana. Oh, okay. Thank you. Sino. Go ahead, Sino. What is true about the ocean?
It's so clear and large.
Very good, Sino. Excellent work. What is it called when an animal's body covering blends into the environment? Sophia?
Camouflage.
Very good. Can you say camouflage?
Camouflage.
Very good, Sophia. All right. Why can an octopus not live in a lake? Pasta?
It cannot live in fresh water or find food.
Very good. Excellent work, Pasta. What might happen if you released a desert hare into a rainforest environment? Puppy.
It will probably die because it could not find the thing it needs to survive.
Very good. Letter C. Great work, Puppy. 21. Why does the leopard live in the rainforest environment? Dragon.
All of the above.
Very good. And Tiger, can you read all of the above? Can you read A, B, and C?
It has the animals it needs to eat. It has the shelter it needs to hide. C. It has the right weather and temperature.
Very good. Excellent work. Thank you. All right. What does habitat mean? Nam, what does habitat mean?
The place where a plant or animal get the food, water, and shelter it needs to live.
Excellent job. Great work. All right. The place where a plant or animal gets everything it needs to live. What adaptations do animals in the tundra have? Milk, it's still not unmuting you. I'm sorry. Ray, go ahead, Ray.
The thick white fur to stay warm and camouflage.
Very nice, Ray. Good work. 24. Which body of water has fresh water? Sam.
Lake.
A lake. Very good.
Easy.
Too easy, I know. All right, look at this picture. What made this habitat change? Banana, are you back yet?
Yes.
All right, what made this habitat change?
People.
People, very good. Excellent work. Nice work, Banana. And a terrarium shows Blue Moon.
Yes.
What does a terrarium show?
The living and non-living things in an environment.
Very nice. Excellent work, Blue Moon. A terrarium is, Ben 10?
A large environment.
So you weren't in class, so it's a little harder, but I'll show you a picture of a terrarium.
A terrarium is a gigantic wave.
No, that's a tsunami. So this is a terrarium. It's a smaller version of an environment. So if you have a rainforest environment, maybe you just have some small plants or animals. Like here's Ray's terrarium. Ray has a little fish tank to represent the ocean. So what do you think a terrarium might be, Ben?
Something we find in natural.
Well, yeah, it has everything we find in nature. That's actually a really good guess. So instead of the large environment, it's a small environment. So take the whole desert and put it into a small tank. So that's a terrarium, like for your frog or
I already had a terrarium.
oh, you have? What was in your terrarium?
I got some bottles, put in water and put outside.
Wow, that's cool. So yes, very good. Can you read this for me, Ben?
A small model of an environment.
Very good. Exactly. So it's just a small model of an environment. Nice work, Ben. A terrarium shows how plants and animals need each other to survive. Everyone say the answer.
True.
True.
Good, true, excellent job. Taylor, a desert environment is dry with little to no rain. What adaptation helped plants get and store water?
They have long roots to find water and thick stems to store water.
Very good, Taylor. So long roots to find the water and thick stems, like in this picture, to store it. A lot of people put B, but they can't catch the rainwater because there's not a lot of rain. Okay. 30, last question. Milk, I'm trying to unmute you again, Milk. Oh, Milk, can we hear you? Milk, say hello.
Hello.
Yay! All right. Which of these is not an adaptation of camels to live in the desert? Which one does a camel not have to help it?
Stop to stay warm.
Very
C.
good. Can you say thick?
Thick.
Good job, Milk. So it has long eyelashes, it has a hump, and it has big feet. It does not have thick fur. All right, excellent work, everybody. Let's go through today's PowerPoint. People and nature. All right, what do you see? Tiger, what do you see?
Some trees. Some trees.
Very good, Tiger and Dragon. Nice. Funny, how are these pictures different from each other?
This picture is people cutting down trees.
Good, so one picture, there are trees on the ground. Good job, Funny. What else do you think maybe happened? What else? Cherry, what do you think? Cherry, are you there? All right. Moon, what do you think happened?
The people cut down tree night for a fire. People burn now the tree for off too.
Very good. So maybe they caught on fire. Excellent job, Moon. Zook, how do you think we can keep this from happening?
I don't know.
What do you think? There's not a right or a wrong answer, but here's a healthy forest. Here's a burnt from a fire and a cut down forest. How do you think we can keep that from happening?
I don't know.
That's all right. Tom, what do you think?
I think we should not cut trees.
Very good. And there's a person that helps with that. Good answer, Tom. Very nice. One more question. Let's have Susu. Susu, what do you think we could do to help this forest get healthy again?
We don't cut down trees.
Not cut down trees. So how do we get this forest here to be healthy again? To look more like this forest? How can we make it healthy and green and pretty? If trees are cut down or caught on fire, how can we get more trees, Susu? What can we do?
Plant more trees.
Very good. We can plant more trees or other plants. So, what Susu said about planting trees and what Tom said about stopping people from cutting down or burning the forest, the people who do this are called forest rangers. Everybody say forest ranger.
Ranger.
Good. Forest ranger. Taylor, could you please read about the forest ranger?
Which one?
In the yellow box.
Forest ranger. Forest rangers help make and keep the forest healthy.
Very good. Excellent work. So they help make the forest healthy and keep the forest healthy. Let's see how. Here are some forest rangers in Vietnam. Let's read about what they do. Cherry, could you please read? Are you there, Cherry?
Yes.
Yes.
Can you read about what forest rangers do in the black writing?
I take care of forests. I help keep plants and animals safe. I also teach about nature and how to care of it.
Good. Can you say care for it?
Care for it.
Very good, Cherry. Excellent work. So why are forest rangers important? Zuck, why are forest rangers important?
They take care of forests and help plant and animals safe.
Good. What else do they do?
They also teach about nature and how to take care for it.
Very good. So they work in national parks, in the forests, or at the beach. There's lots of different environments that a forest ranger can work at, and they help the plants and animals. They teach other people how to keep them safe. Let's read, how does a forest ranger keep plants safe? Rosie, can you read how a forest ranger keeps plants safe?
How does the forest? I teach people how to keep forest fire from starting. I make sure no one cut down trees.
Very good, Rosie. All right, and let's have George. Can you read this one for me, George? About how does a forest ranger keep animals safe?
How does a forest ranger keep healthy animals safe? I make sure people do not feed them. I protect their homes by protect the forest.
Very good. I protect their homes by, can you say protecting?
Protecting.
Very good. So they protect their homes. They make sure people don't feed them. So how could you protect the plants? How can you protect the plants? By teaching people how to keep forest fires from starting. So no one starts one on accident. and making sure no one cuts down trees. All right? How does a forest ranger keep animals safe? Making sure people don't feed them and protecting their homes, protecting the place they live. Maybe making sure people don't hurt them, like how people hurt elephants to take their tusks, or how people hurt tigers for their fur. What would you like about being a forest ranger? Milk, what would you like about being a forest ranger?
Because it is fun.
It's fun, very good. You get to be outside, you get to help plants and animals, you get to teach people about how to take care of the forest. What would you not like about it? Pasta, what would you not like about being a forest ranger?
Because I don't like animals and plants to tickle me.
You don't like them to tickle you? Walking through the forest might not be fun then. Keeping animals safe. Going over homework took a bit longer than I thought, so we won't go over keeping animals safe. All right, let's start from here. What did you learn today? Who can tell me what we learned today? Taylor, what did we learn today?
We learned about forest ranger.
Very good. And let's have one more person. Sam, what do forest rangers do?
A forest ranger keep the animal safe. If an animal that has ouch or it can break its leg, so forest ranger can help it.
Very good. Excellent job, Sam. And that's actually a little bit of what we were going to learn about after Forest Ranger 2. All right, homework. If you have not done it, do it tonight. If you did not take your quiz on quizzes over the weekend, make sure you do it tonight, okay? Here's your new homework. Draw an animal in the forest that you want to protect. And then write one sentence on how a forest ranger can help it. All right, I will see you all tomorrow. Bye, everybody.